Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at SixT by popular request, Los Angeles. And we got a lot of nice cars here. We got a nice Bentley convertible. BMW convertible, a couple larger SUVs. These are all the new ones. And got a Genesis, a bunch of BMW SUVs. This is middle of the day on Sunday, so cars should be coming back. They probably got a lot of them in wash, though. There's a couple Wranglers over to the right. I see an older Mustang to the right. And this is one of those electric BMWs. What is this, like an i5 maybe? i3? I don't think I've seen iX. Well, there you go. I don't think I've seen one of those yet. iX. We got Wrangler rolling back. We got a bunch of these Genesis, it looks like. Nice to see some of the newer BMWs in the fleet. Oh, here's another one of them, eh? That looks kind of nice and white. And then here's one of the bigger ones. Just some convertibles over there. So there's the new X7, guys. And we got a Frontier here. Vitas, Terrain, GMC. Looks like a new BMW coming in. There's a couple of bigger, this might be 7 Series sedans coming through. So I think this is kind of the returns. Oh, they got a Tesla here. I think this is the Model Y. What the heck is this thing? Wow, Hyundai's always got interesting styling. That's not the new, I think it is, the new, what's that SUV called? Yes, Santa Fe. I recognize these from the back. I guess I just haven't seen the front in the daytime. And then continuing on, we got a Jeep Mustang convertible. Not all the agencies have the new Mustangs yet. I kind of got a theory that it's taken Ford a little while to get production ramped up on the convertibles. Either that or there's a lot of demand, and the dealers might be filling individual orders first. Got GMC, got a couple Mini Coopers here. Not convertible, but they got the sunroof, the S. Jeep Wrangler, and a couple Cadillac SUVs down there. This X5 and the returns. Got Denali's, Escalades here. We got a Sienna minivan, Chrysler minivan. This looks like a newer 5 Series. And then the 7 Series. BMW I's. These are the ones I really like, the coupes with the bigger engines in it. Somebody's taken that one. And you know what I haven't seen is the like the M series, the super sporty, like the three or four M series, or even the M8s. And then I see another Bentley in the back, but I think that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Thanks again for watching, and just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. And if you like what you're watching, give the video a quick like. It really helps out the channel. I appreciate that. And see you guys in the next one.